Hi everyone, Cherie from Style Arcade. Today we're going to have a look at how to reduce the number of products displayed when we're on our product page. Okay, so we have landed here on products. Let's pretend, for instance, that we are looking at Monday trade and we want to have a view of our top 10 bestsellers for last week. So pop over to the filters tab here and let's add a filter for time. So range, I said we wanted to look at last week. So input those values there. And if we click back over here, we can see that we're sorted by sales units. We've actually got 718 results showing. So I'm going to reduce that number down to 10. So if we just pop back into the filters section, select add a filter and limit results here. Update that to 10 and we're good to go.